A very pleasant good afternoon to one and all present here in the hall. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. A very famous quote by the Kalam sir, जो कि हमें हमेशा प्रगति के राह पे आगे चलने की प्रेरणा देता है. Myself Vibha Kumari, consultant optometrist at Batra Hospital. It gives me an immense pleasure to start this wonderful event by heartily welcoming everyone on the behalf of Watan Samachar. Watan Samachar is an independent news platform that helps people remain informed factually and to think freely. Their endeavor is to keep you updated about the latest happenings all over the world. Watan Samachar has become one of the fastest growing news and information brand in India. They organize conferences, seminars, interactive meets, panel discussions, and workshops on the issues which is going on in day-to-day life in India. Watan Samachar is the voice of weaker and less privileged sections of the society. They never ever run towards the TRP. Instead, always stand with the truth. Inshallah, there will be more and more TRP in the future for their good work. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the legacy and life of one of the greatest minds of all the time till now. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this special event organized by one and only Watan Samachar in the memory of great visionary and former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. Dr. Kalam sir was not just a renowned scientist, but also a true leader, an inspiration and a role model for millions of peoples around the world. His life was a testament to the power of hard work, perseverance and dedication. He believed that every individual has the potential to make a difference in the world, which counts all of us present here in the hall. And he lived his life and his example of this philosophy only. Dr. Kalam sir impact extended far beyond the world of science. He was a passionate advocate for education and believed that it was the key to unlocking the full potential of the nation. He was a great teacher and mentor and inspired generations of young people to pursue their dreams and make a difference in the world. Today, we honor Dr. Kalam sir's legacy by continuing the work that he started. We must strive to create a world where every individual has the access to education and where every child has the potential and opportunity to fulfill their dreams. We must continue to push the boundaries of science and technology and use these advancements to make the world a better place. So let us come together today to remember Dr. Kalam sir and be inspired by his vision and his leadership and his passion for making the world a good place. I appreciate and thank each and every people behind the success of this beautiful event. Moving ahead, I'd like to extend my hearty welcome to the well-known personality present in the hall, none other than Mr. Qamar Agha sir. He is the senior renowned journalist. Whenever we talk about the defense in journalism, he is always at the upfront to support and to guide no matter how busy he is. Thank you sir for being with us today. Even we know you have a very tight schedule. Thank you so much, and I request all of you to please give a big round of applause for this sir. It's an honor for me to heartily welcome Mr. Mirza Qamrul Hasan sir. He is a highly successful personality and chairman of Jamia Cooperative Bank Private Limited. Besides having interest in various and diverse business, he is also on the board of a number of educational, social and charitable organizations. His inclination towards technology resulted the bank's becoming the first cooperative bank in Delhi to host the CBS system on the cloud with NEFT and RTGS services. He is known for his customer-centric approach and exceptional management skills, which helped the bank to grow continuously and surpass year by year. Sir, it's really an honor for us to have you today, and I request everyone to please give a big round of applause for Sir. It feels very great for me to welcome Dr. Syed Ahmad Khan, sir. Sir has served for over 30 years in CCRUM and discharged his duties at various levels up to the Deputy Director. His devotion and dedication set an example for others. His contribution and dedication to the Unani Medical Services is commendable. Sir, thank you so much for being with us today. We are blessed to have your presence, sir. Request everyone to please don't stop your clappings. Going further, with all the happiness, I welcome Shri Tahir sir. His personality is like the need of the hour. Thousands of crowds is there where he stands. He holds many constitutional posts at government institutions. Sir, thank you so much for being there among us today. Thank you. Now, going further, I welcome one of the known personality of the era, dynamic leader and a great social worker, who is none other than Mr. Mahmood Khan, sir, Managing Director, Gold Rush Capital Services Private Limited. He is always there to help and support in all the possible ways for the less privileged class of the society beyond their caste, creed and relation. Sir, thank you so much for your precious time today and blessing us with your esteemed presence. This is our honor to have you, sir. Big round of applause for this, sir. And now, I welcome known faces of the society and very well-known social workers, Dr. Tajuddin Ansari sir, Mr. Baban Khan sir, for your presence, for your time, for your good work for this society. It's an honor for us to have you, sir. Now, my very special welcome goes to none other than Mr. Ahmed ji from Watan Samachar. He is working tirelessly so that people around the world may get informed factually and do things freely. He worked really hard day and night for the success of today's event, and believe me, there is a dire need of persons like him in the society. I would take your leave by saying that a famous quote which I read somewhere, that if time is money, then you all have spent millions of money for us today with your presence. Once again, I extend my hearty welcome and millions of thanks to each of you here present here in the hall for your time and presence. Thank you so much, and thank you for this opportunity, for this place for me as well. Thank you.